Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome back to MyGlamm and to another video of Some Like It Hot. And today I have Sherlyn with
Hot.
me. Yes. So today we're gonna play a fun game. I didn't tell her about this. All she knew was she was gonna come and put makeup on with me, but I thought let's bring a little twist. So we have these bowls and they have chits of random makeup techniques, and whichever you pick is what you have to go for.
Are they legit techniques?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, even I don't know because I didn't write them.
Okay.
But so it's not. So we both are gonna be surprised. This first bowl is for foundation and the other is rest, whatever.
Okay.
So let's start with that one. So go ahead, pick
I pick one?
Yes.
Okay. Foundation with only a concealer brush.
Foundation only with a concealer brush. Oh, not that bad.
That's easy.
Not that bad at all. Blend foundation with your hands.
Which
But
is
then-
okay.
Yeah, which is okay. But then
which is
it say
fine.
blend concealer with your hands. So I think. And what was the first makeup product you ever purchased?
Purchase. I used to steal from my mom.
Okay. So which was the first makeup product you ended up stealing?
Lipsticks.
So I am
Almost there.
there. Yeah, I'm done. Doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad at all.
God knows, like.
Okay, so for concealer, I can use a blender.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna with my concealer. Cool. Now it's time to set this base. So while I'm setting my base, I wanna know, how did you like really get into makeup? Since I know you vlog and you style other people, like how did that all happen?
I mean, I love fashion. Everything to do with fashion.
So yeah, I choose to doing really dark colors. But over the years, I've realized what looks good on me. And when I used to do makeup when I was young,
Yeah.
and I had to go and do makeup on celebrities, and they would be like blue. There are days when I put purple on people. Then I finally realized that what I need to do is like take palettes of blue
Yeah.
and then just be like, what blue would you like on you?
Yeah.
And whichever one they point out, I would go with it. So if you're watching now, that's what I did. Pick it up for you.
Use a makeup sponge to apply lipstick.
Do your blush with your eyeshadow brush. That's easy.
That's easy. Why are you getting? You know
That's
it.
easy.
Like you know it.
Yeah, like it took me a little forever. but I'm
Really?
not. Yeah.
Like really.
Okay, yours
You are
is worse.
complaining.
Yours is worse. Okay, get it. You get that one. Okay. Do all your eyeshadow with only shimmer or glitter products. I don't do shimmer or glitter. I only stick to matte.
I'm so scared now. Never have I ever.
Never have you ever done what not with makeup? Like, never have I ever done eyeshadow with my left hand.
No.
Go for it.
Okay. Why did I let you do this?
You have to do eyeshadow now with your left hand. I have to use shimmer and glitter. I'm gonna stick to shimmer because I have an option. It says or, okay? I'm not making this up. So, I'm gonna stick to shimmer. I think that's actually a very cool thing. Your brain doesn't give enough credit to the left hand.
It does. I have no idea.
Okay, alright, fine. Show me. Yeah, she did a good job. You can go for something more. Why don't you also do a liner?
With my left hand.
Yeah.
Right.
Try.
I
What is it?
can't.
But that's something that I also like about glitters and shimmers, that it doesn't
Doesn't-
matter
yeah,
if you like
It's blended,
it or
not
blended. It just still looks good. Did you do your wing though?
Yeah. Like
With
a
your left
cute one.
hand?
Yes.
I'm gonna go back to this highlighter with your fingers.
Do cream contour over your set base.
Okay.
Okay.
That's not that bad either.
That's not. It's not.
Because I think, yeah, that's easy. I'm gonna go and put some gloss on my face. Pick it up. We'll both have to share.
We share.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
share.
I read you do. Do your eyebrows with eyeshadow. Easy.
Very easy.
Also, like when you're traveling, what do you do? Like,
I carry one black eyeshadow. I'll do a smoky eye, and I also fill my eyebrows with black. And those two colors. If you don't have brown and black in your kit, girl, what do you have? I've done my eyebrows using a lip brush. I've done my eyebrows using mascara wands. I've done my eyebrows using... Have you ever used a black gel liner to do your eyebrows? I have.
I usually don't do liners because I'm more into like thick eyelashes. situation going on, so I don't do. Like I always skip liner.
Yeah, even I don't think
Yeah.
liners are for me.
Liner is just not. Liner and glitter.
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 Yeah, I can't
Not
do
for
glitter.
me.
I can do
Not
glitter
for
on my cheeks. I can do glitter on my lips. I do glitter on my nose if it has to,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
like
yeah.
I don't
I
want
can
to
do glitter on my hair also.
Yeah. Gonna just pop very little of it. And we are done. This is it. I mean, whoever tried sabotaging our look didn't succeed because we're good.
Did
Wow.
not.
So
I'm ready to go out like this.
I'm ready to take this eye makeup off because I just don't
not
do
for
glitter,
you.
guys. Sorry. Anyways, guys, that was fun. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Right now.
Yeah,
Right
to keep
now.
yourself updated for more such videos. Until next time.
We'll see you soon.